Did you know whooping cough cases are up 600%? Let's break down what you need to know. Whooping cough, also known as pertussis, is a highly contagious respiratory infection. The Centers for Disease Control and Prevention reports a dramatic increase in cases this year. Initial symptoms resemble the common cold, making early detection tricky. Look out for severe coughing fits and difficulty breathing. These can lead to serious complications, especially in infants. Antibiotics work best when started within the first 2 weeks of infection. So prompt medical attention is crucial. Preventive measures, simple but effective, frequent hand washing, covering coughs, and good hygiene. But the real game changer is vaccination. The CDC recommends a series of vaccinations for infants, children, and adolescents. Booster shots are advised for preteens, teenagers, and adults. Pregnant women should also get vaccinated during their third trimester to protect their newborns. Timely vaccination not only shields individuals but also contributes to community immunity. Stay informed, stay protected, and let's curb this outbreak together. Understanding how to recognize and manage whooping cough at home is crucial for early intervention. So, what should you look for? Initial symptoms can be deceptive. A mild fever, runny nose, and mild cough might seem like a common cold. But, as the infection progresses, the cough becomes more severe, often producing a whooping sound. This is especially evident in children and can lead to vomiting or exhaustion from the coughing fits. If you suspect whooping cough, isolation is key to prevent spreading it to others. Make sure the infected person gets plenty of rest and stays hydrated. Over-the-counter medications can help alleviate some symptoms, but they won't cure the infection. Remember, antibiotics are most effective when prescribed early by a healthcare professional. Keep the environment calm and quiet to help ease the coughing spells. Use a cool mist humidifier to add moisture to the air, which can help soothe irritated airways. And most importantly, seek medical advice if symptoms worsen, or if the patient is an infant, pregnant woman, or someone with a compromised immune system. Being informed and prepared can make a significant difference in managing whooping cough at home. Stay vigilant, stay proactive, and let's keep our communities safe. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content. Follow me on http://www.youtube.com/@WillieRussell5837. Stay tuned for more exciting videos. See you in the next one.